Step down chopper. Step down chopper with inductive load. When chopper is on, V output equal to Vs. When it is off, V output equal to 0. In this circuit, if we take a closed loop, Vs equal to VL plus V0. We are using this equation during on time. So Vs equal to VL plus V0 and VL equal to Vs minus V0. We put value of VL equal to L di by dt, VL equal to L di by dt, which may be also written as L into delta I by T on. So variation of time is on period. Delta equal to Vs minus V0 by L. It comes as first equation. Then during off time of the chopper, similarly during off time, chopper become off and supply is disconnected from the load side. So the current will flow due to current exist in inductance, and this will take the path like this loop. It will follow the path freewheeling diode inductance and load. So here when inductance becomes source, the polarity will reversed and the VL will be represented as this. And here from this viewpoint, V naught equal to VL and VL equal to L di by dt, where VL equal to L di by dt, where di is represented as delta I and dt is t off, because we are considering the off time period. From here we get the equation number second, delta I equal to V naught t off by L. So from here equation first and equation second we obtained, and we put both equations in the same and equate them. So we get this equation Vs minus V naught by L into T on. This is the delta I at on time and is equal to V naught by L into T off. From here we get the output equation V output equal to D into Vs. When we put V output equal to D into Vs in equation first, then we get delta I equal to Vs minus dVs by L into dt, or Vs equal to 1 minus d into d upon L into f. Here t equal to 1 by f is used also. In this waveform of I naught current, the current is exponentially charging when V output equal to Vs, and it will decay when V output equal to 0 in T off period. So we concluded that for resistive and for inductive load, we get the same equation of output voltage V naught equal to D into Vs, where D is the value from 0 to 1. So we know that D is from 0 to 1. So V output always less than Vs source voltage for step down chopper. But in next video I will explain the step up chopper where V output always greater than Vs. Thanks.